What's up, guys? It's Amma Jamma here, and I'm just going to go over a couple of the trades we took this morning live on X and in Discord. So, in case you're interested, you could come trade with us next time. So, the charts we had predetermined to trade today were Hood, NVIDIA, SPY, Meta, and Tesla. So the first trade we took this morning was Nvidia, which is falling off a little bit now, but we did make an all-time high this morning. And immediately off the rip, we were looking for that break of that pre-market high, and our plan was to trade that up to previous all-time high, which was yesterday around 1154.98, if I'm not mistaken. And then we would split that in half with our target one right around 1150. So we played this one twice. First time we played it was immediately on that first candle pullback. We went a little lighter because I wanted to see a little bit more of a pullback for our entry. And we took it right around 1148 or so price point and played it all the way to the top. In and out scalp like 2 minutes for about 35 to 40% on that one. Second trade was when we got the deeper pullback we were looking for. We took entry as we started breaking VWAP right now. Right there. So our original entry, we broke through it. We broke VWAP, took entry right about here. We had a nice strong trade up to a new all-time high on the wick here, and I believe we hit about 55%, if I'm not mistaken, on this one. 40 to 55%. I have to look at my notes. Either way, great trade, candle for candle action. And our big trade of the day was Tesla, which we caught at a perfect position here. We didn't wait till the 180 break. The 180 break was actually our first to take profit range. We took this out of this falling wedge. We had a falling wedge pre-market that I really liked, and we want to see that breakout. So 179.25 was our entry, and this is our trigger point right where we did buy. Right about here, we filled our contracts. And this thing absolutely ripped. It came up to our major zone of 180. And as you could see, low wicks the whole time through. So we felt pretty confident holding this trade, a heavy position in it through this. We were staying green. And as we broke that, our target levels that we had set up were 181.35, and then we had 182.80. I accidentally erased it before I took this video, which we came within a couple pennies on that one. And this was a 120% trade. Candle by candle, we talked through it the entire time. I did take it with the members who followed along. And then finally we had Hood, which I didn't personally take, but we had our entry at the break and hold at 21.58 with targets at 21.78 and 21.97, which is about 40 cents, which is close to 2%, about 1.8%. And as you could see, we had multiple different chances where we came down and bounced off that range and pushed right back up through both targets. I really like Hood, and your little tip of the week is if Hood closes above $22 on the weekly candle this week, and opens above 22 next week, I expect that run through $30 to $35. I'm going to flip on to my trading view for this one. I expect this run to be substantial. Here's my time targets. So I expect us at around August 2024 at about 26, January 2025 around 30, and then January 2026. These are the contract prices and the targets for each one. So yeah, at that break and that hold of 22, I'm looking at $33 within the next 3 to 4 months easily. Get this little baby cooking here. We've got a perfect cup and handle. We held that 1660. We came back down. Now we're holding that 2160. So that's your tip of the week trading. I really hope to see you guys come check out the Discord at some point. DM me on X if you're interested. Bye, guys.